welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Allure beauty box that I need to open, and this is my box for the month of April. I don't know why, but I get my Allure boxes pretty late in the month, so I finally got it, and I ripped the plastic off because I wanted to just go ahead and pop it open and take a look and see what's in here and share it with you guys. And I did take a little peek. I don't know what's in here, but I just noticed that what is in here is quite small. So I think the items or samples or whatever I got this month are very small. So let's just go ahead and open this puppy up and see what we got. Now, if you don't know what the Allure beauty box is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box that you can get delivered to you every month. I believe I paid $14.95 for my Allure, or $12.95, one of those. It's in between $10 and $15 a month. So it's not as expensive as BoxyCharm, but a little bit more expensive than Ipsy and Sephora Play. So anywho, you do get a little pamphlet in your box that gives you some information about the products that you receive in your box every month. Something smells good. I don't know what it is, but something smells good. And then you get your little items, usually wrapped in this box in some paper with some little like confetti type stuff in there. So I am going to just go ahead and dig right in and see what I got, because I'm a little tired today. So this video is not going to be long. So let me just take this first item right off the top, and it says here the original makeup eraser sample makeup eraser, #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. So this is what the little sample pack looks like. Very cute. And it says on here how to use wet portion of the makeup eraser, drenched wet, use warm water. 2, gently erase your makeup in a circular motion. 3, flip eraser on long side to exfoliate. Oh, okay. So basically it's like a washcloth that you can just wet and use to take your makeup off. I don't know if I want to open this. Do I want to open this? I don't think I want to open this. This seems like something that I would like to take when I travel, maybe, instead of using makeup wipes, maybe. So I'm not going to open this. It looks like it's just a pink cloth. This is what the back looks like. So it looks like it's just going to be a small pink cloth that I can wet and use to take my makeup off. To take my makeup off, and that I can actually wash it and reuse it. So that's actually kind of cool, you know, to help you save money on makeup wipes, I guess. Okay, and so next, it looks like some type of pencil. It says Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm in J Mama. So this is what it looks like. You guys, I am so tired today. I ain't got no business filming, but anyway, this is what this pencil looks like. And I'm assuming that that's the color that's on the bottom of the pencil. And it looks like it has a nice little safety seal on here. And so since I do have a tendency to give a lot of things away, I'm not going to open this. I'm not going to take the safety seal off just to swatch it, because I'm pretty sure that is the color of this lip and cheek pencil. So that is that. Do they have prices on here? Okay, so that lip and cheek balm retails for $24. The makeup eraser pad retails for $20. Okay, I could see that. Okay, so next, let's see what we have here. Looks like we got a shampoo and a conditioner. So with the shampoo and conditioner, they're cute little sample sizes. You can get at least 1, maybe 2 washes out of this. And this is by Rahua, classic shampoo for healthy, lustrous hair. Classic conditioner for healthy, lustrous hair. Okay, so let me see here. It says that the shampoo retails for $34 and the conditioner retails for $36. So basically it's just shampoo and conditioner. Let me see what they smell like. These are nice little great travel sizes as well. It's 0.22 mil. Oh, it's a safety seal, so that's good. I like safety seals, but can't really smell through a safety seal. So anywho, that is that. Shampoo and conditioner. Next, I have a product from Stellar. It says Stellar Brilliant Primer. And the retail price for this is $42, I guess, for the full size. And this is what the full size looks like. Okay, so I guess that is what you would get for $42. And this is what you would get on the shampoo and conditioner. Full size for the pricing that I mentioned. So with this primer, it says here, Monica Dial Brilliant Primer. I love trying new primers, so this is something that I'm really actually happy to get. Let's see here. Blah, blah, okay, blah. Yeah, so it's just a regular makeup primer. Well, it feels nice. It doesn't smell like anything at all. Oh, it's nice and soft. This is really, really nice. It's just kind of like a white cream primer. And so, I mean, it's a really small sample, but I don't use that much primer. So this would actually do me for probably about at least 4 or 5 uses, even though the tube is very small. Ooh, I like that. It feels very, very nice on my skin. Okay, and then I have one more item, and this one is Korres Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer for the skin. Retails for $34. And so this is what the sample looks like that they sent us. So it's actually a decent sized sample. Not too bad. And I love moisturizers. That's one reason why I love Allure, is because they don't just send makeup. Safety seal. They don't just send makeup. They send a lot of skincare and just beauty related items in general. So I love Allure. Now for $34, I guess this is what the full size would look like on that moisturizer. So you know what, I think all in all, this is a decent box. Like I said, this month I would use every single one of these products. Occasionally I get a box where it's like I give away half of the products. Like this lip and cheek pencil, I know I'm not going to use, so I'm just going to throw this in my giveaway bag because I don't use lip and cheek pencils. Shampoo and conditioner, I probably give it to my daughter if I don't just give it to somebody else, because I don't really use stream shampoos and conditioners. But the moisturizer and the primer, trust and believe, I will be using these, so I'm happy to get those. So anywho, that is my whole Allure box for this month. Very nice. I'm not disappointed at all. Very nice. And that is that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching my little Allure box opening. I will put the website in the description box just in case you're interested in signing up for Allure yourself. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I just pay my monthly fee, get my box, and I share it with you guys. So that's that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you hit like and subscribe if you're not already part of my family here on YouTube. Go ahead and click that subscribe and that like and that bell. And I will see you on my next video. Okay, you guys? Toodles!